This is a good day for Vendetta entrepreneurs. Caesar Vendetta here. Today, we will have a video about the land of the rising sun, Japan. We will tell you where and how to advertise your product in this country. Line is an ad platform that is emerging as a viable alternative to others, more well-known systems. Line is the #1 messenger in Japan. It is installed on 90% of all smartphones, and the monthly audience of active Line users in Japan exceeds 70 million, which is more than 55% of the population. And 72% of them are active daily users. Line has more reach than any other social platform in Japan, including Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Advertising spending on this platform is projected to increase by 33% annually in these coming years. And to get started with Line, you need an account through which you can share updates and collect new subscribers, just like on Facebook or Twitter. In the Line Advertiser account, you can create and manage campaigns. And to create an advertising account, you must contact Line directly or through a partner agency. If you have an agency, then you will need an appropriate agency account where you can manage multiple advertiser accounts. And about targeting, Line provides several targeting options. First, the mobile operating systems and version. Second, the interests of the user, which are identified by how they use the application. These categories include business, cars, education, entertainment, fashion, finance, games, health, music, sports, television, travel. The segments. If you are familiar with Facebook custom audiences or tailored audiences on Twitter, then segments will be familiar to you as well. Segments are lists of your own data that you create using CRM lists, in-app activity data, or site visits. And finally, you can target your audience by demographic data, like gender, age, location. So creating Line ads contains several key elements. First, video or image. These videos or images should be in the sizes as follows. And for all of these sizes, the video must match the resolution, 16 by 9 or 1 by 1. The title contains up to 20 characters. Descriptions should be up to 75 characters. You can include URL, a regular ad that leads to the site, or an ad for installing applications. And you can use action button that contains one of several call to action options. You need to know stickers when you need to market in Line. This is the most feasible and most expensive way to create an audience in the messenger. With the help of the Line store, cartoon characters are very popular in Japan. By creating unique cartoon characters, you can create, add, and combine with your product. And most of the sticker packs cost 100 yen. But some companies give out stickers for free. And about free stickers, you usually need to add your company's Line account as a friend. This is a very effective way to build a subscriber base and reach your audience. This is Caesar Vendetta, and this will be our vendetta. Remember, the more you invest, the faster you grow. So stay turned on.